Got another tutorial here on how to install the developmental versions on macOS. So first go to downloads, just like in the Windows, go to FreeCAD release pages, scroll down to the bottom of the page. You see there's a macOS x86-64 conduit.dmg. Download that. As you can see, I've already downloaded, so we're not going to wait for that. Open that. Okay, you can now drag FreeCAD out. Let's open another Finder window. Then we can drag FreeCAD into applications. Now just wait for it to transfer. If you have a recent-ish Mac, this should be relatively fast. Okay, and we are done. Now you can come here, or wherever FreeCAD's decided to go. There we are. We can try open FreeCAD, but I'm guessing at first it won't work because we haven't updated our security preferences. So come here, into your settings, look for security. Okay, yeah, clearly because of our security preferences. So go to your security, then go to general, and come here, open anyway. FreeCAD cannot be verified, that's fine, and then click open. Launch, install, or agree. Continue on battery power. Just let it download its software. Okay, actually I don't feel like letting it download that software right now. Go to Tools, to Add-on Manager, and Workbenches, and there you should be able to install your workbenches, for example. Just download it, and it's done. Okay, well that should be it.